Welcome today to my channel. So guys, I'm really excited. You guys are seeing me in a new background, and that is because yay, we bought an apartment abroad, and I'm really excited about that. So yes, I'm sitting right now in the apartment, and is an apartment on an island called Curaçao. Maybe some of you guys know it, maybe not, but I'm going to share with you guys the story and how we actually did the whole process from buying the apartment to the place where we are now. And then I'm going to share with you guys the apartment. So I'm going to give you like an apartment tour. It's not that big because it's kind of like a vacation type of apartment, but I'm so in love with it, you guys, and I'm really excited. First of all, just want to say some things here. I actually forgot to bring my filming gear with me, so I'm doing it on my iPhone. So that might be the reason why you're hearing like different noises or why the quality is different. I hope that you guys will bear with me throughout this video because I really want to share this experience with you guys. And second of all, I have here the little one walking, so he might be making a little bit of noise if you don't mind. And outside, there's a lot of construction still going on, so you might hear some construction noise, and the airco is also on. So I still hope that the sound will be amazing and that you guys will not notice anything about anything. But if you do so, bear with me throughout this video. So first of all, I'm going to share with you guys the story and how we actually got to the point where we bought the apartment. We actually started 2.5 years ago searching into buying a second home. We were really excited about that because we love traveling, but at the same time, we wanted to buy something that where you travel, you still will feel like at home and at ease whenever you are. Because sometimes, even like when you are at the most luxurious places or not, doesn't matter actually where you are, but you feel like you're missing a little piece of home. You're missing like your regular things, or you just miss like your own environment. So that was actually the reason why we started to look into like a second home. And for us, most of our friends or maybe people that we know, they usually buy houses like in Europe. So a lot of people from the Netherlands, they own like a second place in France or in Spain or anything like that. So that might be like the reason that we started to really, doubt about where to actually buy the second home. Eventually, we wanted to make maybe a more riskier decision by buying the home in Curacao, and that is the island that I was born in. So it is actually really excited to be here and to be back and just to have a home here. But the process actually was quite, I would say, like a little bit of excitement or a lot of excitement, but also very scary because you're not living here, you don't have like any control over anything, you're not able to go and see like all the updates all the time, so you're really dependent on the pictures and things that people tell you and so forth. So fast forward to actually I think we bought it at the end of 2022. Yeah, the end of 2022. The way that we got it is that we were searching for, the second home online. We couldn't find anything, but then this offer came, and it was because the person who initially bought the apartment, didn't want to go through with the process. And so we were very lucky enough and also fortunate to be in that position to even be able to buy a second home. So we were super excited, but we actually decided to go for it and buy the apartment from this person. And now again, fast forward to 2024, so like a year later, we heard the really good news that the apartment was finished, it was done, and that we were able to come here and see the apartment. And it is a very, very beautiful. It is super amazing. It kind of like is more beautiful than I ever thought. I wasn't like that excited as I am now. And it sounds like crazy, but I'm like someone who needs to see things. But like it's so gorgeous, you guys. So the apartment is not quite done yet. There are still like little things that need to be kind of like touched up and finished up or hanged up or things like that. But as you can see, it's like pretty much like all the furnitures are here in the apartment. And the way that we did it is that it was actually a project, and and everything that we wanted in the house was shipped overseas from Europe to the island. And because it's an island, everything needs to be shipped. So the costs were like maybe higher than a regular when you buy something, you know, if you have like an IKEA on the island, it would like be perfect, but they don't have it here. So everything had to be shipped abroad. But the good thing about it is that when we got the house, like when it was like finished, when it was like finished, I cannot film like today without him. I'm so sorry, you guys. But anywho, when it was like finished, everything was also like brought in here, and I just needed to place them and kind of like clean everything and things like that. So that is what I've been doing and what I've been busy with. And this sweet nugget here has been helping me, right? Yeah, you did. So, yes, that is it, you guys. I'm going to give you guys an apartment tour. Let me know if you have like any comments or anything that you want to ask me about the process of getting a house like abroad. I know it's kind of like a short, kind of like very short story, but I will do an update before I leave of the apartment. So you guys will kind of like have an update before I leave again. So yes, that is it. So let's hop into the apartment tour. So guys, I'm so sorry if you hear like any noise or anything because they're still building around here. So yeah, that is the thing. So this is kind of like the entrance, the hallway when you come in. So you got here like the side table and with like some things on it. It's kind of like minimalistic. We wanted to do like a minimalistic type of look with more black, white, neutral colors, kind of like vibe. So the floor is also a little bit grayish tiles, which I think is very beautiful, very soft, and something that you don't see a lot here on the island. So we're really happy about this. So yes, these are kind of like two side tables and they're hooked up with each other. And then you have here a big round mirror, and yeah, just like something to put kind of like stuff in it and things like that. So on this hand, like right away when you walk in, you have like the first bedroom, which is also like a master bedroom. I think the size is kind of like perfect. So on top of there, you have like a window. The curtains are still in the made, but they're going to be delivered this week. And then you have like here on the side, you have two side tables, and you have the TV here that needs to be hanged up like here on top. So it's kind of like very basic, but I like it. I think especially when you're on vacation, we just want to relax and enjoy without like having so many things around you. So I think keeping the bedroom just simple is very much what we need. And then inside we have two closets. They're just like the IKEA closet, and yeah, kind of like just basic closet, nothing special really about them. And I think the color is kind of like cream white to them. I would love for them to be like the exact white color, but unfortunately they didn't. We picked kind of like the white one or the cream one. I don't know like if you can definitely see it or not, but it's like that. And then in the bedroom you also have kind of like the bathroom. In the big frame you will see here now the entire bedroom, and I really love it. As I said, it's like really simple, really minimalistic, Love everything about it. It's so great and amazing. And then starting again from the hallway, we're going to go into the second room, which is kind of like exactly the same way as the other room. So open the door, like who's helping out. So when you open the door, you walk into here, their bathroom, and then you have here, it's echoing just a little bit. So you have here the sink, and then it's kind of like a one single sink, and it should be working actually, but it's not. But you have there the toilet, and again, like the same type of finishing. So here you see like a full frame of the hallway. The mirror is going to be hanged up like here, like here. And so you're going to have like a beautiful kind of like walk through when you walk here. And I think it really makes like this small space look just a tiny bit bigger with this mirror. Then you kind of like walk a little bit more, and you have kind of like here the laundry room. So this is also kind of like a storage room that we can just put everything inside. I don't think like it's going to be a lot, but anyway, this is it. I love it, and it's very simple. And then next we're going to move to the living room. So I'm so sorry, it's still like here and there a little bit of a mess, because I have been buying things today for like small things that I needed to finish today. So yes, this is kind of like the living room area, and like it's small and cozy, but I really love the aesthetic of this. We wanted to go with very natural colors and things like that. So everything that you see is very natural, is very kind of like also a little bit of the representation of here on the island. And that is what I wanted to bring into this home. So on this side, we're still going to hang something upon the mirror. We've got here like a side table and just a chair over there. And on this side, you have the TV. So it's not hung up yet, but it's going to be hanged up this week. So really loving that. And on that side, we have like a small chair and a side table. And then we have a 2.5-person couch here. Now on this side, we have the kitchen. So moving into the kitchen, we are starting kind of like with the 3 bar stools, which are definitely in the same kind of like vibe as the rest of the house. We really wanted to bring in, as I said, like the culture and the nature and things of it. So I really like it. They maybe don't look as comfortable as they definitely do sit, but I really like them. And they are very, very comfortable to sit on. These are meant to be hanged. So this one is going in the hallway. It's going to be like hanged up there. And then this one, which I absolutely love, which is really amazing, is this beautiful woman. She has like gorgeous eyes and the skin like so lovely. And I think it really represents the culture here. And I really wanted to bring that, as I said, like numerous times as well, in the house and the colors. And yeah, I really wanted to bring in the nature and everything that the island represents and stands for. It's about relaxation, but it's also about, you know, keeping the tradition. So up there we have like the lamps hanging. It's also in the same wooden and black color, which I absolutely love. So what I really like about the kitchen is that on this side, I'm going to move a little bit backwards so you guys can see it. So on the left side, we have like drawers, and on the other side, we have like cabinets with drawers. And then the dishwasher is this one. So I really like this combination because I really like drawers in the kitchen because it's so easy to use, especially when you're cooking. So you just can like pull it, you have like everything that you need, and it's just easy and a quick fix. So on the other side, you've got the sink. You've got like a little bit of the appliances and things that I bought. Nothing much, but definitely everything that needs to be in a house for it to be used. So and this is kind of like it. And then on the outside, which we're still working on, we have like a couch, but we're keeping it actually in plastic because they're still building on the other side. So I'm trying to just keep the couch clean. And then we have just a table outside and 2 chairs. So it's really lovely balcony. And I don't know like if you guys can see it, but on the other end here we have a swimming pool, which is very, very lovely for the summer days. So I'm so sorry if you can hear like the little one in the background and also like all the sounds that we have here. But keep in mind that it is still like a work in progress. So I just wanted to take you guys on this journey so you could have like seen where I've been to or what I've been up to. So guys, there you have it. That is like a small tour of the apartment. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment box down below what you guys think. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you guys an update before I leave to let you guys know how everything turned out. And yeah, for now, we will see you in the next video. Bye.